So now I need two Docker container. Why two Docker containers needed? That is, if you are using SQL Server, then you need two software. One is SQL Server, and another is SQL Server Management Studio for view purpose. Okay, or writing any query. So in our scenario, we are using MS SQL, MySql Server, MySql. Which version? If use MySql official image or use any other third-party company's tool, that is Parcona. I use the Parcona server. It's very fantastic performance. So I need a one. I need one Parcona MySQL server, and need also tools for view query or write any query. We need to phpMyAdmin. Okay, so I need two image. So if I go to the browser and close all our tab and going to Parcona MySQL Docker, Parcona server for MySQL comes there, and the Docker official documentation Parcona, and you see some tag file. Yeah, I need this line and need to be modify some code. I copy it, and in our VS Code I paste this line and some name, that means mydb, and MySQL root password is suppose my password 007, and tag which version I need to install. If I go to there, and if I not provide any tag, then the latest version, that means 5.7 installs by default, but I am not going to use it. I am going 8 point only 8. Okay, so in my tagline I write 8, and I need some in others configuration, that is -p port 3306, that my host machine port, and 3306 and inside machine port. Okay, so if I copy the command and paste it in Ubuntu machine, first you see the Parcona 8 image is not present in my machine, that cause it's downloading. Okay, so download completed. Okay, if I write docker container or docker ps, you see Parcona 8 image is running and up for 6 seconds. If I run again, you see the up for 12 seconds. Okay, so my Parcona is ready. So I need an administrator tool. If I write phpMyAdmin docker, if I write again, and I see there are images comes, their official phpMyAdmin docker image. If I go there and you see, and phpMyAdmin is command, I need to also be modify. If I go to my command line and myadmin, okay, not any problem. Link you MySQL DB server, that means this machine need the database server name, that is okay, MyDB is MySQL DB server, is run in 8080 port. If I copy this tagline and run this command again, okay, the image is also downloading. Okay, so if I run again docker ps, you see two container is running successfully, and now my admin portal, that means phpMyAdmin is running 8080 port. If I go to the browser and if I go to the instance and get the public IP, that is, yeah, it's the public IP. If I copy this public IP and write the port 8080, I think no any information is come there, that why the application is not running. The main cause is AWS by default not open all port. So I need to open the port. In go click the security tab, then click security group. That means request is come inside my machine. Okay, already now only 22 port, that means SSH port is only open. In our inbound rules, if I click in edit inbound rules, add rule, custom TCP, okay, port, that means which port, 8080 port, 8080 port, custom source, okay, NIP, and save rule. Inbound security group successfully modified. If I run again, you see now the phpMyAdmin is coming and MySql default password is root and password is tapper007. If I click the go, yeah, your database server is now performing well, and you see your MySql version is 8.0.23.14. Okay, so this video you understand how can I use Docker and how can I configure my database server for our NopCommerce production publish. Okay, tata, bye bye.